Hey, I just saw this negative Ionic fast dry blow dryer with diffuser on TikTok Shop. Quite a few people have bought it already. It's described as low noise, constant temperature, and travel friendly for all hair types. Basically, it's a compact hair dryer that uses negative ions to help dry hair faster while reducing frizz. Comes with a diffuser too. From the listing, it keeps the temperature steady so it's gentler, and it's practical for daily use or packing in a bag. Looks like a straightforward option for quick styling at home.